on
next
our
to our
left
tent.
and approximately 80 feet below the track.
So
We will
scary.
pass by what's called Black Cross Rock. The Klondike Gold Rush captured the imaginations of people from all walks of life, but many had never experienced hard labor before. The foreman of our railroad construction, Michael Heaney, was a brilliant engineer and a dedicated leader. He worked around the clock to oversee and organize one of the most highly educated, yet inexperienced workforces anyone had ever seen. 35,000 workers would help build this railroad before earning enough money to continue onto the Klondike. While injuries were frequent, there were just 35 recorded fatalities that occurred on the job. Maurice Dunn and Alex Janot had been hanging from ropes, working on a massive overhang of granite, when it suddenly came loose and fell on the two men, crushing them instantly. Unable to retrieve the bodies without disturbing their remains, Michael Heaney marked the boulder with a wooden cross to serve both as a tribute to these two men and all of the workers who died during the railroad's construction. After the clearing at milepost end, the cross will be about 80 feet below the train on our left. It stands directly on top of the massive boulder we call Black Cross Rock.
What a way to go, getting crushed by a boulder. Yeah, two railway workers got crushed by a boulder
When?
when they were building this.
Oh my
constructing this
goodness.
railway.
I think there was a forest fire down here. Because I saw a lot of trees.
Waterfall over there.
No leaves, dry.